In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off Samsung Extend Unlock. So, what is Extend Unlock on Samsung Galaxy device? It's a feature that allows your Samsung phone to remain unlocked when you're in a particular location or when your Samsung phone detects a body. Mark you, while using Samsung Unlock, your Samsung phone cannot differentiate between your body or someone else. So for as long as someone holds your Samsung phone like this, either you or not, this person is going to be able to unlock your Samsung Galaxy device. So here, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off or disable Samsung phone extend unlock. So you see this notification, your device unlocked. This to lock this device, open the settings, power menu, and then tap lock. So that's the power of the Samsung phone extend unlock. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do when you want to disable or turn off extend unlock on Samsung Galaxy device is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings, you want to scroll down and click on lock screen and AOD. Then locate extend unlock. Type in your Samsung phone PIN, password, or use pattern, and then click on continue. Then here you can see I have on body detection turned on. Then I added trusted place. At the same time, I can also add trusted devices like my Apple Watch or my Samsung Watch. Now to disable or turn off Samsung Extend Unlock, all you just need to do is click on body detection, then turn this off. Come back again, locate trusted places if you've added any, then click on the place and then you see delete or rename. Then go ahead and delete the place. Then after that, come back. If you had trusted devices, go ahead and remove it as well. So that's all you need to do to turn off or disable Extend Unlock on Samsung Galaxy device. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.